Hey guys, good night. It's Tony. This actually just passed. I just got the message right now from KTLA 5. LA is starting to tighten the because of the COVID-19 surge. They are requiring immediate stay-at-home orders. So this is actually pretty big news, and I don't know how the market's gonna take it. I might look at futures right now. I think they're already closed, but as of this, because this usually happens in big cities. There's a big chance that this is coming, that Orange County is going to do this. There's a big chance that San Diego might do this, Austin, Texas, Chicago, New York, depending on how big or how many cases keep going up. Um, but yeah, this is pretty big news. This is not something that we should ignore. This is pretty heavy stay at home orders from LA, and businesses are actually we're told to shut down immediately if they are not they don't have to necessarily be open. But yeah, just letting you guys know firsthand. This is pretty good. This is pretty big news.